Hey everyone, just checking in on this rainy Monday morning. I'm just about to post exam number 2. So this week I'm given a pass on, we're not going to have discussion boards, so you can focus on whatever you need to focus on, taking care of yourself, but also focus on the exam. I did 6 questions, they're short answer. They do require citations, so my suggestion is to break it down and pick 1 or 2 a day to kind of tackle so that you don't have to do it right at once. I know you probably will, but that's just my suggestion. So again, no discussion board today. Next week we'll start up on that again. I hope you are all working on your field experience paper too, just kind of thinking about that. Or the alternate assignment if you weren't able to complete your hours. The other piece is I was hoping to do a Blackboard Collaborate session on Thursday, just like a little 10-minute check-in, if I can figure that out. I'm not sure if it'll happen. I'll let you know if it's going to happen. So if you're able to carve out 5 or 10 minutes, I can just check in. You can just say hi, or at that point you can let me know if you have any questions in real time rather than emailing me or using the discussion board. So yeah, or just anything else just to say hi. So I'm not sure if that'll happen, but I'm going to try. So I hope you are well. I hope you are taking care of yourself. I know everyone has a lot going on, so reach out and please, let me know if there's anything I can help with. Miss seeing everyone.